Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium grain white rice. First, let's prepare our rice. Take 1 cup of medium grain white rice and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water. Continue rinsing until the water that drains away is completely clear. This crucial step helps remove any excess starch, which prevents the rice from becoming overly sticky and ensures a wonderfully fluffy texture. Also, measure 1.5 cups of water for each cup of rice you are cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Place your rinsed rice into a medium saucepan with a tight-fitting lid. Add 1.5 cups of water for every cup of rice, along with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt for flavor. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 15 minutes. The cooking isn't quite done yet. Once the 15 minutes of simmering are complete, turn off the heat completely. It's very important to leave the lid on and let the rice rest, undisturbed, for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period is vital. It allows the rice grains to fully absorb any residual moisture, ensuring they become perfectly tender and separate, rather than mushy. Do not peek or stir during this time. Finally, it's time to reveal your perfectly cooked rice. After the 10-minute resting period, carefully remove the lid from the pot. You'll see beautifully cooked, separate grains. Take a fork and gently fluff the rice, working from the edges towards the center to separate all the grains. Your medium grain white rice is now ready to be served. Enjoy it as a delicious side dish or as part of your favorite meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.